We are Leah and Jessica. We spent the summer at a lake in Oxford, Wisconsin, and this is our last week here, so watch us wrap things up. Okay, so here at the lake house, when we're cooking or whatever, we throw food over the hill because it's fun and we can. And I just threw my banana peel and it got stuck. It's the first time this has ever happened to me. Don't really know what to do about that, but I think it's hilarious.
There's more to this story than she lets on. So, 2 days ago, we were across the lake at our spot in the van, and she goes to throw like 4 oranges over the hill. She throws 2 like straight into a tree right in front of her.
I don't know. I feel like you'd have to try to do what I did, and I don't.
You like keep doing it, so I feel like you keep trying.
No, I have a bad throw,
I
apparently.
feel someone didn't play softball. Ow!
We are at Jesse and Amy's, and we are picking vegetables for our homemade pizza tonight.
Got the goods.
Sure did. That looks amazing, Amy. Chef Amy. Oh, this is good. Live action scene. Oh yeah. Cheers. Cheers. I didn't get you.
Alright, well, thanks.
What's your plan there?
What's that?
Apparently, news to me, this is how Leah likes her pancakes. Leah's cleaned my bottle for me. Look at all of that iron. It was so orange before, remember? Now it's gonna be clear again, like it's supposed to be. Oh my gosh.
I'm doing the puzzle. I didn't quite get this picture. Juliet, everybody's
Rabbit. Rabbit.
How many are there? 3?
See 3.
I am paddling across the lake to, unfortunately, clean up that side of the lake and put everything under tarps, all of our stuff and our tables and chairs and stuff from the summer, to get it ready to just sit there, safe and sound for winter, because Leah and I are leaving in a couple days from the lake, so I'm paddling over there to go deal with that. All right, it's all packed up for the winter. Goodbye, outhouse. We'll be seeing you for a long time.
wine tasting.
We're trying a dry white wine or something that our cousin left, and a wine that Leah's sister recommended.
Blackberry wine.
$5. Super cheap and affordable. I recommend it even though I haven't tasted it yet. I will give you a real recommendation soon. Let's try it. Okay.
Okay.
I like it. Just as I suspected. Of course, Hannah would like this.
Very
Sugary, sweet, lovely.
good.
Leah's gonna chug that one.
I love it. That's
Very good.
So good.
It's like juice. Yesterday, my cousin Tori came to surprise us here to say goodbye, and he came with his two friends who we love, and it was hilarious. So we swam across the lake, and we were playing and hanging out on the neighbor's raft, which is a massive raft, and we do this thing called tipping the raft, where you all stand on the corner, and it like tips the raft in the water, and it's like whoever falls off first. But this raft like literally was tipping so much, I thought it was gonna flip over. And then all of a sudden, before you know it, Tori looks over and is like, "Oh my God!" and points to the left, and we're all like, "What?" And one of the big barrels like that keeps it floating was floating away. Like we lifted it up so much it like detached and was floating away. Tori jumps in the water to go and swim because the current is rapidly pulling this big barrel all the way down the side of the lake. And then Tori's friend Sam jumps in the water with Tori just out of like reaction, and then I look over at Sam, and Sam looks horrified, like so scared, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, we just definitely ruined this raft. I don't know how we're gonna fix it. But we all leaned over on the edge of it so that it would tip again, and then Tori like put it back in place somehow and fixed it. So I don't know, it was literally hilarious, and I can't believe that it happened, and I can't believe we fixed it.
It's cleaning day. We're gonna hit the road soon, so we want the van to be clean. So we're cleaning things. Ew, look at all the dust. Gross. I already cleaned that. Pretty. Like night and day difference. Shiny. I'm here to pick you up. Hi. We're going on a paddleboard date.
We're leaving in like 2 days. This is our second to last paddleboard night date. Gotta love that traffic. Come back home, home again. Leah is getting a haircut. This is the little station she set up. Wow, your hair's so long. Leah does this thing, as you all know from the last time she cut her hair, where she becomes a garbage bag.
It's smart, because then you don't get your clothes full of hair that much.
Right. It's smart. The finished product.
Are you thinking at all about this?
That was a bad decision. Oh, bad. Okay. Okay. laughing. Can you guys believe this? She's keeping the mullet. Yes. It's our last night here. We're gonna soak it up and we're leaving tomorrow.
It's gonna be fun though.
Yeah.
We're going under the tree. Oh. Made it. Round two. That's it. It's the last sunset of the summer. Till next time. Cheers. Saving the moment.
Myself, I had to come back down for journaling, quiet time, and coffee. I love this place. Thanks for watching through our summer series at the lake, and join us as we head towards Michigan for our next adventure.